Hey guys, welcome to Creators Hub. So today we'll show you how to run a stock ROM on your Mi 11 Ultra without doing any extra thing. So let's start. So first we'll go to the settings. This is settings panel, and then we'll go to additional settings. In the additional settings, you need to go to developer options, and as you go into developer option, you will find the DSU loader. So you just need to tap on it. Okay, so there will be two options: GSI ARM64, GSI plus GMS ARM64. If you need Google apps, then go with the second one. If you don't need any Google app, then go with the first one. These are just like GSI builds for means any device, generic builds. So we have got an option that we can try. So let's try. Why not? So we'll click on the second one. It will ask for fingerprint. I will just give it, and the magic will start. So it's downloading, and we'll wait until it downloads, and when it finishes the download, it will ask us to reboot, and then the magic begins. So I will continue as it's going to finish the download. So guys, you can see that this update has been downloaded, and it's asking to restart. So as we press on the restart button, it will go restart and the magic begins. So let's see stock ROM on the Mi 11 Ultra, because there is no developer that is porting ROM for this one or making ROM for this one. So let's see the stock ROM. It will fully boot in the stock ROM mode. So it will show the Mi logo, and then again see what happens. Okay, see Android. So it's booting like stock Android GSI AOSP ROM. And we are at the setup process. So let's see. Searching for mobile network. Actually it should search for the Wi-Fi, but I don't know why it's not searching for Wi-Fi. Let it search. Okay, I can skip. Okay, it's now searching for Wi-Fi. Okay, so guys, we are going to set up the fingerprint here. Let's see if it works or not. So as you can see, there is no fingerprint icon. It says the touch the backside. So I think there is no fingerprint hardware, means the driver or the software is not installed. So we'll skip this part and let's go to the end. Skip it anyway. Agree to Google Assistant, and voice match access, agree. Assistant, agree. Let's see what happens. I think this is the final step, and we will be booting to the home screen. Yeah, no thanks, I don't want to do any other setting. You see, we are here. Play Store. Yes, everything is booting. Great. Can detect. Let me see if it shows the phone is okay. The Play Store just updated. So let me see if it shows the phone as certified or uncertified. So there is no certified or uncertified thing here. I am trying it for first time, so not much info. And sorry. Okay, let's first turn on the navigation gestures. So go to the settings. Where is the settings? PQRS. Okay, settings. Okay. System gestures. Let's turn on the gestures. Okay, one more thing. Move the sensitivity. Peak. I like it. So guys, this is the way to boot to GSI, and everything is working okay. So it's updating the play support libraries, and it will always show like this. If you want to go to the back to your stock MIUI, then you can restart and go back. Okay, any other thing, like check the camera if it works or not. I don't want the tag photos option. Next. Okay, so camera is working. Okay, but it's stock, means very stock. Okay, let's try. Okay, it took the picture, and the picture is okay, not very good, not very bad. I cannot say anything to this. And it's like very means camera Okay, so guys, this is the GSI build. If you want, okay, now that I understood, the sound is broken. The sound is broken. Notification came and the sound is totally broken. So this was the issue with this. There is no fix for now. The GSI is GSI. You can try any other GSI which are built like Pixel Experience. They have some options extra that can fix this. So guys, this was it for this video. If you liked it, please drop a thumbs up, share, and let other people know that we can try. And these are baby steps. You don't need any extra technical thing to do this. Okay, bye bye.